Hi guys, today we are going to make a quick vegetable curd raita or curd dip. This is a super quick and a delicious recipe that goes as a perfect cider or can be eaten on its own as an appetizer. Let's begin. In a bowl, add chopped onions, tomatoes and cucumber. Now to this, add in the curd and mix everything and keep aside. It's time for tempering. Heat some ghee and once it is hot, add in asafetida, that is hing, jeera, mustard seeds, curry leaves, green chilies and let them splutter for a couple of seconds. Add this to the curd mixture and mix very well. Now add black salt and roughly chopped roasted peanuts and mix. There you go. Your delicious vegetable curd raita or curd dip is ready to serve. Enjoy it with spicy pulav or biryani, or have it as a midday snack, or you can even use it as a dip. Do give this recipe a try. Until next time, eat healthy, stay healthy. Bye bye.